Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to hide Instagram Lives on PC. We start by opening Instagram in our browser. Next, we will click on the More menu and then on Settings. After that, we will click on the option to hide story and live. Then click again on hide story and live from. Here you can select those users from whom you want to hide live videos with the blue check. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.